Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. See that? The old thumping stick? That's too easy of a death for the old VisionPro. Wait till you see what I have in store. Alright guys, I found something better to do with this VisionPro 8000. He's going in my little barbecue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go downstairs and grab some charcoal briquettes. Some fresh ones. I'm going to heat those up. I'm going to throw him on top and watch him burn, baby. Oh yeah, it's going to be great. I can't wait to do this. You know, hitting him with a hammer is quick relief, but this is going to be a slow burn that's going to make me just so happy. Oh, I can't wait to watch him melt in disgust. Oh, this is going to be so great. It's coming. I'm gonna live stream, and I'm gonna see if my wife can hold the phone. I'm gonna do it. So let's see what we can do, guys. Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So I'm gonna turn this into a video because this is gonna be fun for me. So forget about the live stream. It's gonna be a video. Hold on. All right, guys, Seton HVAC here. So we're at the scene of the crime here. So what I'm gonna do is probably I won't fill this up like I would if I was doing a bunch of steaks because he's not worthy of it. But I got the old spatula. I can flip him over a couple times. I got my charcoal briquettes. I got my lighter fluid. If I want to turn up the heat, I can put the lid on there, slow cook him. You know, hitting him with a hammer, you know, was an easy death for him. So I think I'm going to just slow cook him. You know, maybe I'll stack the briquettes up on this side a little bit, heat him up, then slide him over, let him suffer, you know, just burning over there a little bit. Oh, I'm loving this, guys. This is awesome. Got the old dirty spatula to just flip him back and forth. I like the way this is going. Yeah, here's the beginning. I'll be back, guys, when I got everything set up. I'm gonna get these coals going, okay? All right, guys, we got the flame going. So yeah, let's heat that up real good. Let's get those nice white hot coals going. He's over here. I think I see beads of sweat on him. I don't know. The condensation there, maybe. He's sweating, guys, and he knows I can take that lighter to him at any second, but that'd be too quick of a death. We want him over here on these hot coals. Yeah, let's get that all heated up, and yeah. Yeah, it's looking good. I even got my old burger drippings on there. That'll really make him suffer. Oh, he can have his last meal or something like that. You know what I mean? Look at it. Oh my gosh, this is great. This is awesome. I'm happy, man, right now to do this to him. All the grief he's caused me. This is called revenge, guys. This is justice right here. I'll be back. All right, guys, the briquettes are heating up. Let's go check on our sacrificial thermostat over here. Where the hell did he go? Is he hiding somewhere? Oh, I know where he's hiding. I know where he's hiding. He's hiding behind a good product, this Bosch heat pump. He thinks that's going to save him. Nope. Sorry, dude. You're done for. You are done for. Yep. No, you're done. You're done. Sorry, you can't hide behind this good product. You can't anymore. Come back out here. Come on, I'm not going back there. Quit struggling with me. Put you back right here. If you act up, I'm going to chain you down. As soon as those briquettes are white hot, you're done. And with all the wind here, it's not going to take long. Look at this. Oh, I'm going to, you know what? Actually, no, I'm not going to scrape it off. I'm going to give him his last meal, some steak and hamburger drippings. Whew. Let's see how he's doing over here. Oh yeah, he's looking a little pale. Hold on, let's see if he lights up still. Yeah, he still lights up. Okay, he's not having a heart attack yet. Whew. You want to say anything? Your last rites? Do you want to go in wait mode and get stuck one more time for me? Come on, man, speak to me. All right, guys, we'll be back. This is intense. This guy's really trying to get me not to put him on the barbecue, but it's gonna happen. Guys, he's trying to run away with me. He's trying to run. Hold on. Let me put it on. Switch the functions. Okay, I switched the functions. It'll go on wait mode. he'll die for a minute. Probably forever. Oh God, the guy was trying to run away. I just had to put him on wait mode, and that got him. That calmed him down. That made him die. Whew. Okay, we'll be back when we're ready to throw him on. All right, guys. So we got our hot coals on one side. Let's go grab him and let's see what happens here. I'm probably gonna ruin my barbecue, but that's okay. I can get another one. It's worth it. Hold on. Let's go get him. All right, come here, buddy. Come here. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. So I'm thinking, let's let him sit there for a few minutes and see what happens. I'll come over and flip him over. Make sure he's cooked on both sides. This is going to be interesting to see what happens. Oh God, I got batteries in there too. What's going to happen, guys? Oh, I see a lot of smoke. Am I going to cause problems? Well, not as many problems as he's caused. Oh, this is going to be good. I'll be back. I'm going to come back down in like 5 minutes and see what he looks like, okay? I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, we're back. It's been 5 minutes. I see a little bit of plastic melting there. I thought there'd be more damage done. Like I said, slow death. Look at it. Look at it. It's reading 99 maxed out. That's pretty cool. I won't go to triple digits, I guess. That's hilarious. Look at him go on those hot coals. You know, if I was caring more about this thermostat, I'd just throw him right on the hot coals. But I'm not going to. I'm going to let him sit there and just simmer. That's what he's done to me. Hey, eye for an eye, right? I mean, I'd have to leave him on here for like a week for it to be an eye for an eye, really, for what he's done to me. So let's come back in 5 minutes and see where he's at. It's amazing that the readout's still there with that whole back melted. Pretty tough thermostat, actually, except it doesn't work. That's awesome. All right, we'll be back. Hey guys, pretty impressive, the old VisionPro 8000. I've had him on the barbecue for over 10 minutes now, and he's still got his readout there. Isn't that amazing? Little melted on the back a little bit, but I've had these hot red, I mean, you can see how hot it is. Have him sitting there. I still have a readout on it. It won't work on your wall, but it'll work on the barbecue. Amazing. All right, we're going to keep cooking him. A full video is coming late tonight. You can watch it tomorrow. It's going to be, oh, now we're getting some flame. This is awesome. Never cooked the oh, look at that. And it's still got a readout on him. Amazing. Wait till those batteries burn up. This is cracking me up. Oh crap, guys, I'm back. She exploded. That could have been bad. There's melted plastic there. There's a piece down there. I was just up in the house hanging out with the family for a second. There's that piece there. There's a piece there. Oh shit, she exploded. Well, at least it didn't happen real quick, guys. Oh yeah, look, we got some down underneath too. Oh gosh. All right, I'm probably gonna get a bucket of water and put this out. Oh, that's amazing. Well, I figured it would because of the batteries, right? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you ever seen anything like that before? Woo. Well, this one died a worse death than the others with the thumping stick. Okay, let me make sure there's no parts here that are near the house. No, I think that's it, guys. Well, there's the old burnt screen. Another piece of the whatever. Hey, like that. Got some burning. Kind of looks like a piece from your cell phone case right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Well, we didn't barbecue tonight. I did that all for him. He should be happy, you know. I put all that effort in just for him. That's hilarious. I mean, he did try to drag me behind the Bosch, you know, a real system. Oh, this would be a good video. This is going to be something I remember forever. Burning him on the Barbie. Okay, guys, I won't bore you anymore. He's still flaming down there. Yeah, I came out the front door of my house and I could smell plastic, so I knew something happened. I didn't smell it before. It all happened at once. Look at the color on the briquettes. There's some goop and smear on there. No, not nylon blue, but there's some goop and smear on there, like some sort of fluid that comes out of him. I'm surprised that thermostat has any fluid in him. He's not a real man, not a real thermostat. So, all right. Well, he almost tried to hide part of himself behind that Bosch again. Well, that's why I told my daughter to stay in the house. All right, guys. So, well, better than the thumping stick, huh? That's great. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.